Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Lulu Home Supplies. Bali, ito guys is yung yung sinasabit na tissue. So titignan natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. I-unbox natin guys. Ang order ko dito guys is large kasi may mga sizes to parang medium, large ganun. So large tong in-order ko.
Hindi, wow.
So buy one take one siya guys. So ito yun guys. Si Lulu Home. So may kasama siyang guys, clip hook. Yan, isasabit mo sa dingding tapos sasabit mo siya rito guys. So 1,800 pieces. So guys, si seller is legit. Thank you for watching.